Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2017 Toyota RAV4, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to access the cabin air filter. It's going to be located on the passenger side glove box. Let's go ahead and access this side. Alright, go ahead and pop open your glove box. And right on this side, we just want to go ahead and press this little knob here and release that. Want to squeeze this here, release that. Now to drop this, we want to push this plastic up and push this way, push up and down, and we'll put this back together in just a second. All right, the cabin air filter is going to be located behind here, so just hit this clip here and pop this open. It's going to be facing upward, so let's go take a look up when you put in the new filter, and you could get it at your local auto parts store. This one's pretty dirty, so the same way we want to put it back together, go ahead and slide your new one back in. Go ahead and put your door back on, the little cover. When you put this back here, let's see, where's that, this little tool here on this side, you want to just pop this up here, pop this in, and here, this little pump, you want to put this hook right down here when you slide this up. And to get these clips back inside, you want to pull this plastic up and push in on this side, on both sides, and you're able to close it out. All right, that's it for this video. If you guys have any other questions or comments for this vehicle, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.